This is a peacock. Here are unique, interesting, and slightly mind-bending facts. The feather illusion, not what it seems. Those eye patterns on the feathers, they don't actually have blue pigment. The blue color comes from microscopic structures that reflect light, called structural coloration. Nature gave it living jewelry, beauty that depends on light, invisible in darkness. It can't fly high. Despite having massive royal feathers, peacocks can only fly short distances. They mostly run, then flap awkwardly to reach trees. King of beauty. Heavy crown slows the king. The loudest beauty. Peacocks scream loudly, especially during monsoons. Their call is harsh, almost alarming. Voice that echoes across forests. Beauty with a voice that startles. The feather is only for love. Only males or peacocks have the grand train. Females, peahens, choose mates based on feather size and vibration display. He shakes the feathers in a shimmering dance. It creates a low-frequency vibration humans barely hear. Designed to attract love, entire beauty exists just to impress. It sheds its crown. Every year, peacocks lose all their train feathers. For months, the king looks ordinary. Renewed every year. Beauty is temporary. Sacred yet hunted. The peacock is the national bird of India. In Hindu mythology, it is associated with Lord Krishna, peacock feather and crown, and Kartikeya, rides a peacock. Yet, in history, they were hunted for feathers. Symbol of divinity, desired because of beauty. Snake hunter. Peacocks can kill and eat small snakes. Elegant warrior, must fight to survive. They glow in UV light. Peacock feathers reflect ultraviolet light, something humans cannot see, but peahens can. Hidden dimension of beauty. Most of its magic is unseen by us. Blessed by beauty, cursed by it. Is the peacock nature's masterpiece or its irony?